European Saving Secrets: How Germany, France, and the UK really save money. Tip 3 is genius. Think all Europeans live lavish lives, sipping lattes in Paris and buying designer in Milan? Not quite. In reality, some of the best money-saving strategies in the world come from Europe, and today we're unlocking those secrets. From a Berlin schoolteacher to a French baker and a London techie, their stories will show you exactly how real people save serious money. Stick around till the end. The UK tip might change how you save forever. And hey, if you're all about smart money moves, hit subscribe and join the crew building real wealth, one smart habit at a time. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about real money strategies from real people around the globe. Today, we're diving into Germany, France, and the UK, three European powerhouses with totally different but super effective ways of saving. This isn't theory, it's how everyday people actually manage their money, and how you can borrow these habits to boost your savings wherever you live. 1. Germany, the power of planning. Let's start in Germany, where saving is practically a national hobby. Meet Klaus, a 38-year-old high school teacher from Berlin. Every month, he saves between 20% to 30% of his income. That's not just luck, it's cultural. In Germany, financial stability is deeply valued. People budget carefully, avoid debt, and buy quality over quantity. Minimalism is baked into everyday life. Klaus doesn't own a car. Instead, he bikes or takes Germany's efficient public transport system, saving thousands of euros a year. He also uses what's called Haushaltsbuch, a household budgeting book or a modern app version, to track every expense. Klaus told me, "When you see where your money leaks, you fix it. It's like plugging a hole in your wallet." He also sets up automatic transfers to a separate savings account the day after payday. Out of sight, out of spend. German money takeaways. Budgeting is sacred. Buy once, buy quality. Saving is scheduled, not optional. Debt is avoided unless absolutely necessary. 2. France. Save with government help. Next, let's visit France, where Marie owns a charming bakery in Lyon. She's not rich, but she's smart with money. Marie's secret: the Livret A government-backed savings account that earns tax-free interest. These accounts are super popular. Over 80% of French people use them, and they're capped to encourage saving without overspending. But it's not just the account, it's the mindset. The French prioritize quality, long-term value, and thoughtful purchases. Marie says, "I don't need 10 cheap handbags. I need one that lasts 10 years. This philosophy extends to food, clothing, and even home items. Buy less, but better. She meal preps using seasonal foods, shops local markets, and takes pride in reducing waste, saving both money and the planet. French money habits you can steal. Use tax-free savings accounts if available. Focus on quality, not quantity. Shop smart, think seasonal, local, durable. Limit waste, you're trying to limit unnecessary spending." United Kingdom, tech meets tradition. Now let's head to London, where James, a 29-year-old graphic designer, is building wealth through modern tools. His favourite combo: budgeting apps plus ISAs, individual savings accounts. He uses Plum and Monzo to track spending, get alerts, and automate savings. It's like having a money coach in his pocket. And then there's the lifetime ISA, where the government gives a 25% bonus on savings up to $4,000 a year for first-time homebuyers. That's an easy $1,000 of free money if you play it right. James sets daily reminders for no-spend days, uses cashback sites like Top Cashback, and even rounds up purchases to save the spare change. He told me, "I treat saving like a game. Every time I beat my budget, I reward myself with free time, not more spending." UK saving tools and tactics. Budgeting apps: Monzo, Emma, Plum. ISAs and government incentives: no spend days, plus roundup savings. Cashback tools equals free rewards. So what's the takeaway here? In Germany, it's about structure. In France, it's about value. In the UK, it's about using the tech and tools available. All three prove this. Saving isn't about being rich, it's about being intentional. Drop a comment with the tip you're going to try this week, or share a money habit from your country. I read every one. And don't forget to subscribe, because next week we're heading to Asia for another world tour of money wisdom. Let's build real wealth together.